Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name Muhammad Asgar and my Gmail address practical day@gmail.com, and today we'll learn how to take input from the user and store in a variable and display on the screen. And sequential structure of programming. Today we'll learn how to use scanf function. Scanf in a C programming language is a predefined function that is used to take input from the keyboard. Function used to input from the user. The input stored in a variable in specific format. And syntax for using scanf function. Syntax: first of all, keyword scanf and start parenthesis and string format string and variable name. Here variable name is a address sign. It is a noun and sign or a address sign. Use that inform to compiler how to the variable address in which you want to store values, and here you can address sign variable number 2 and so on. And format string, and the format string is given double quotes, anything that is closed double inverted commas is known as string. It consists of different formats. Specifier indicate the format according to which value is entered. It informs the user how to value to store in the which variable is integer is stored in a integer format specifier. And variables, a quantity whose value change during the execution of program, is known as variable, and variable used to store enter value through keyboard. And variable refer memory location, and symbol address sign indicate the location of the variable or address of the variable in which is stored. It's called address operator. And input, for input it is a scanf function, you can see, and here it is a format symbol, percentage sign is a format symbol, and D is a format specifier, and it and sign, it is known as address operator, and N is a variable that is used to store values in the memory. And if you take multiply input and then you use scanf function, %D, %F and %C, and respectively you write %N used for take integer input because %D used for integer, and address sign average is used for %F, and address sign character used for C is respectively. So best of luck, and now I go to practical and perform practical how to take input from the keyboard and store it in a variable, and how to display on the screen. So now I go to source file, and here I write hash include IO stream, and here I write hash include studio.h and here I write int main functions, and here I write and give comments start body of main method. It is optional, anything that I write forward double inverted commas method, and here I write and the body I not write forward comments. If I write forward comments, then I write comments, and body of main method and end. Okay, and I write return 0 because my return data type is 0, and variable name is integer and number. Okay, and variable name, and I write comment use to store integer values, and write another comment, so another variable float, and variable name is average, and I write here, and you to store floating point values. Okay, okay, and I write printf function give to the message for enter value. Printf function is used to give message to the user. Enter integer value, and terminator semicolon, scanf, write percentage d, and commas, and address sign, and variable name number. Okay, and here I write it is used for integer value, and I write another printf function, printf, and here I write enter floating point value, and here I write scanf function. No scanf function used to store take floating point value percentage f, and address sign, and variable name avg, and it is no. I compile my program. No, I compile. Here I compile. Before compiling, I store program in computer directory, and I write program number 9. Okay, program 9 is available already, so 10. Okay, and here you can see in my program is no error and no warning, and no. I run my program, and you can see give me message that I write in printf function. Here you can see in printf function is here you can see in blue underline in that my function is execute, and no I enter integer values, and I enter values that scanf function store in number variable, and no I write 56. Okay, and no my that function is execute, and sami enter floating point value, so my function is, and I write 45.3, and you can see, and here I take input, and no I want to display that input 56 and 44.3 on the screen. No I write another line instruction, and here I write printf, and write integer value, and here I write and percentage d, and percentage d, and here I write variable name number in which my integer value is stored, and here I write printf, and backslash n use for new line, and here I not use backslash n, I use here backslash n, and I go to, and no integer value floating point value is okay, and percentage percentage f is used for floating point value, and variable name in which my floating value is stored is avg, and right here. And now I compile my program, and here I compile, and error is 0, warning is 0. So I run my program and run, and you can see window is running, window is open, and here you saw me here I enter 34 point and integer value 64.2, and you can see, and I enter integer value 34 and enter floating point value 67.2, but here 2 is roundabout and 1 and 1.999 something, and here, and it is my input. Now my that function is used, printf function is used to display that value 34, and for floating point value my that function is execute and display 67.192. Okay sir, and best of luck for learning C programming language, and thanks. Okay.